Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today I'm going to be giving you my thoughts on this 14-piece cookware set. This is in the pink color option, but they have loads of different colors and it comes with so many wonderful pieces. You get an 11-inch sauté pan. This comes with a lid. It's got a wonderful soft touch handle. Then you get this large 9-inch pot that also comes with a lid. And again, the handles are nice and soft and they're gonna be cool to touch, as well as a 7-inch saucepan with a lid. Then you get this 11-inch frying pan that also can utilize the lid from the sauté pan. So those are perfectly interchangeable. And then a nice little 8-inch frying pan. Plus they provide you with 4 of these pot and pan protectors. So when you are storing these away, you don't have to worry about them scratching one another and you can easily sit them together so they don't take up near as much space. Plus you get a nice little spatula and ladle. These have silicone tips, which is going to be perfect for this cookware set. You're gonna wanna make sure that you're using something very soft like this or a wooden utensil so that you don't damage the coating. This has a natural ceramic coating on all of the pots and pans. It is absolutely beautiful and it is going to be naturally non-stick, making this a breeze to clean. Now, these are not dishwasher safe, so you will need to hand wash these, but in my opinion, that's just going to extend the life of your product. You do want to make sure you're using something soft like a sponge or a really soft bristle brush. Now the outer construction of this is a die cast aluminum. It heats up very quickly and evenly, so these are an absolute joy to cook with, and this set is going to allow you to make a multitude of meals, whether it's large or small, because of the range of pots and pans that you get. They feel incredibly well made, they are durable, and they are certainly beautiful. I think this is a wonderful set, especially if you're kind of just getting started in the kitchen or if you're just looking to expand your current pot and pan collection. This would be a great option. I would definitely give these a try. I think you guys would love them.